Hi beautiful people of planet Earth, welcome back to my channel, my king and queens. My name is Steven Binus, and if you're seeing this video today, your day just got better. This video is going to be short because I'm going to be showing you how to add your closure wig to a frontal, just normal frontal that you're installing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you add a wig or just closure wig to your frontal that you've already installed. So this video is going to be easy, fun and fabulous. First, you are going to install your frontal, and once you're done installing your frontal, you can tie that down as you can see in the video. And then I'm going to put the wig at the back of the frontal as you saw me do. Now I'm going to get my needle, and then I'm going to just tack it to the frontal. Now if you see the way I position my frontal, because this style I'm doing is a side part, I had to bend it to the side a little, and I adjust the hair to the side a little in order for the parts, in order for me to extend the parts to the back. Now if you are doing a center part, you can also make sure the closure is at the center. I don't know if that makes sense. Now because I'm doing a side part, I adjusted the wig to the side. Now I'm going to get my needle and thread and then just tack from the part to the extreme end of this other side, and then I'm going to do the same from that same part. I don't want the thread to be showing, so I'm not going to tack. So if you are doing this part and you're tacking the closure to the frontal, you need to be extremely careful because you don't want to damage the frontal, because the client might want to use the wig, or not might, the client will definitely use the wig another time, so you need to be very careful. So I'm going to just tack as you can see me do, and then once I'm done, that's it. It's very simple. Once you're done, you can hot comb the parts. After you've got your parts, your side parts or your center part, you can hot comb the other part of the hair. I mean, from, I don't know, you see me do it in this video. I'm going to just hot comb from where my part ends to the back to cover up the other parts of the closure. Now you can see I'm done. I'm going to just comb this, and then you see my part that I extended to the back. You see that the place where I joined the closure and the frontal is not even showing now, because of how I sew the hair. Now it was closed. I didn't sew any thread at that part that I cut. Now you can see I'm going to then use my liner, and then with the foundation to just define the parts as it, like now you can see. So it's very easy when you do it this way, the way I did mine, so that you won't have any so that your work will be neat. It will even look like you added anything to the hair. Thank you for watching my video, and if there's anything you want to see on this channel, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share.